Hello viewers, welcome to Minister Tech YouTube channel. This is a right time for register a .com domain for your business. If you want to start a blog or online business, you can get a mighty .com domain for 0.98 cent and enjoy the best market price with free privacy protection included. How to register a .com domain? First, you need to search your domain name. If your domain name is available, then you need to add your card, then go to your payment section and apply this coupon. You need to must copy this coupon code and apply your coupon box. If you register your domain for 2 years, you will get your domain 0.98 cent for first year. In addition to first on free products and service, free 2-month email trial, free privacy protection with $15 and free DNSSEC security and free expert 24/7 customer service. If you want to grab this offer, please check description and copy your coupon and use our affiliate link for your online journey. Thanks for watching this video.